Did you know that some luxury items are made for a fraction of their retail price? China has unveiled the real manufacturing costs of global brands. Many high-priced products often have production costs that shock consumers. So, what does this mean for brands and their high prices? Consumers are now more aware of these costs. With social media and online reviews, transparency is at an all-time high. Take a $600 designer bag that costs less than $40 to produce. People are questioning their purchases. They ask themselves, am I paying for quality or just a logo? This shift in perspective is pressuring brands to justify their pricing strategies. Brands must now respond in three ways. First, they might add real value by improving customer service, extending warranties, or using higher quality materials. Secondly, some brands may lower their prices to attract more price-sensitive customers. Finally, others might emphasize a premium experience, catering to wealthy buyers who prioritize exclusivity. The future looks challenging for brands that ignore these changes. Failing to adapt could mean losing market share to new companies with fair prices and transparent operations. Chinese brands are already gaining traction with their direct-to-consumer models and clear pricing. The world is changing, and branding rules are evolving in response to consumer awareness. Are global brands ready to adjust? Remember, the era of inflated prices without explanation might be coming to an end. If you're a smart shopper, keep an eye on the rising tides of consumer power and brand transparency. Stay informed and make educated purchase decisions. What will you choose next? Answer: global brands, made in China, consumer awareness, brand transparency, modern economy, luxury vs value, future of retail, supply chain truth, smart shopping, business trends.